Hello, beautiful people, future me, maybe. Welcome to the round number 724 of me doing weird shit on the internet. We'll be typing for 3 minutes, 35 minutes of developing. Um, and people are leaving. Bye, people. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I should turn off the counter. Return. Start timer. Update. Merged. Removed. Unresolved. Def. Record. Updates. Repo. Action. Merge. Record. Merge. Actions. State. For a action. Here I was correct in typo, which I didn't have. Branch merge state remove. It kind of felt much better than the last time. 4%, yeah, it is much better. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there. We have 30 seconds. Oh, screw that. We'll continue in what we are doing, and we usually don't know what we are doing, so we have to look what we are doing. Okay, so I've opened this twice. Doesn't need to be full details. Full details. Come on. So show the value in UI and changing gradient amount. Okay, so now what we want to do, and oh, that was ugly. Did you saw that? Did you saw that? Come on. Here we go. Nice. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Now what we want to do is the total fulfilled stuff, right? So where is it? Here, right? So if we have, okay, so this we will have a soup, potato soup, right? So here, if we change the amount, now we get 52. But here, the fulfilled, this should change too, right? So on a change of that, we should recalculate the fulfilled fields in that. Also, this should not be changeable. So two things. First, this should not be editable. And the second, we will calculate the value. Okay, so let's do that. So here we will say disabled on that. That's the example. And here required, fulfilled, insert disabled. No, I'm sorry, that doesn't go here, it goes here. Disabled, here we go. Reload, look at the beauty. I cannot edit it now. This I can. This I cannot. Moin, moin. Moin, moin, kann ich moin. Look at that. This is what I look here. Now if I change the amount, look at that. This is calculated, you know. So it's now calculated, well, the energy, the fat, you know, we are getting from that, everything actually, fatty acids, you know, and then we will, when we change the amount which we were consuming, all of that will be recalculated. Yes, 160 grams. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I did it myself. So now we did disable this field, so, and it works, so that's what? That is great point to do a commit. Yes, you guessed it right. Something works, do a commit. So field, nice idea, bro. Yeah, that's kind of like default one. Requirements fulfilled field. Oh fuck. View. The command was much longer than the change in code itself, and that happens. Oh really? Is it cool? Okay. So requirement value fulfilled, and we want on a change requirement. We want after the after the change, we will have this calculate requirement calculate requirements fulfillment. How is that spelled? This looks like the right, yeah. Oh, just one L or two L's. So what the fuck? Yeah, the fulfillment is the noun. Okay, it's, I know fucking English. Just like that. Okay. Now, here's a problem because this doesn't exist. So we'll create it. Yes, we will. English? Yeah. Parle americano. Also, the background you can change with your channel points. But you probably know that. You probably know that, don't you? Okay, so this will return nothing, which is void in the programming language. And here we will go over all of the selected ingredients, and we will have a, so let some, now we will have a for, we'll go over each of the requirements. Selected ingredient. No. Requirements. Okay, we'll start at the diet plan. And we have requirements. That is a... Okay, there's all of it. So we'll do that. Okay, so we'll iterate over this. So easy. So for requirement map of this selected diet plan dot requirements. We will do shit. Why are you red? Why are you red? It's never really designed. Yeah, that's true. We can use this. Are you satisfied now? Good. Please someone. And we will for each of the requirement for the key. So we'll say, oh the fuck, what am I doing? This shouldn't be. This is not how you iterate over it. This is not how you do it. This is not how you do it. This is not how you do it. It is this dot selected diet plan dot requirements dot for each. Yeah, and here we will have requirement, and he will do some shit. This is how you do it. You know? Now you know. Format it. Now, for each of the requirement, we will have the requirement key, I guess. Require and that. Hold on. I'm confused. My naming convention is confusing me. So requirements. Requirement dot I want the key. Really? Do I really? I don't look. I didn't Google this. I know it. For each value key. Okay, I see. Value key and map. Yes. And we will change all of it. This is so horrible. Okay, whatever. change this, and we'll do another cycle, but we will cycle over the selected ingredients, right? So it will be this dot selected diet plan, selected ingredients for each, and here we will have a select that ingredient, and we will do shit with it. Which, okay, I already don't like this code. I will do a refactor later. Now we will just move forward, and before this we will have a let sum equals 0. Yes. Why are you red? Why are you red? Oh, fuck you. I will resign it. Where are the contributions? I forgot again. Yeah, the contributions here. So we'll select from the contributions. Ingredients for each ingredient. So we will select this. No. Sum plus equals. That will be selected ingredient dot contributions dot get, and we will get the key. Okay. What's your problem? Missing semicolon. What's your problem? You don't even know. What's your problem? Declaration or statement. What the fuck? Object possibly undefined. Okay. Okay, so in that case, we'll extract this to a variable, this thing, this will be contribution, which will be that, so contribution, otherwise we will put it 0. Okay, now what the fuck is this? This is okay. This is what? Why do you have a problem? Is there like an extra thing or? Fixed. Yeah, and we should call it. Right. Okay, so I think this should work. Or this, well, this might work. Add, bam. Doesn't do shit. Okay, maybe we are not displaying it, right? So, we want to have a look at the so here we say debugger, very nice, beautiful. Add, change the amount, debug. Okay, so now step over. That was F10, right? Yeah, where's F10 here? Fuck, that was not it. It was it. Requirements. Fuck. fuck is this? Okay, that's not what I wanted. So we have just one field, which is okay. So we do this and then we do inside or what? Yes, okay, cool. So required energy call and the map is whatever. Okay, so now value fulfilled required. Oh, so the value is fulfilled. Oh yeah, I see. And I don't save it at all. That might be a problem. Oops. Okay, so we have this, and in this for each, so after that we will say value dot fulfilled equals sum, right? And this this is not value, we will change it to requirement, and this will be fulfilled. Okay, this is not how you should do it. We can do it like this. Fulfilled, and here requirement, like so. Now it might actually do something for a change. Okay, so we are loaded. This should happened at go. So now step in, step. Okay, fulfill 52. So it should be 52. Requirement. Fulfill this 52. Okay, go. And it's here. Life is beautiful. Yeah, so this is a bug. This is a bug. Fucking A. Okay, is non-fiber carbohydrate has a problem. Well, maybe it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't have a shit of it. Okay. So do we have something which have this? Potatoes. Doesn't have it neither. Okay. Let's have. Which one is non-fiber carbohydrate? I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, come on. Fiber and NCF. NCF it is. It does have a value. The fuck? Okay, I didn't like that error. I didn't like that error at all. Okay. So I'll have a look at that. So this is the contributions which I don't want, but I want the diet plan. Here we have the selected ingredients. And on the selected ingredients, we have the ingredient, and here is the thing, right? And the NCF is here. So why the fuck? Okay. That's fucking weird, isn't it? Here, now we go inside. And this is the energy. So, step over, step over. Step over. Step over. Okay, so now we have non-fiber carbohydrates. Oh, hold on. I'm looking in the very wrong place. It is in the components, right? And it's non-fiber hydro or carbohydrates. Okay, so this is wrong. That should be converted from that shit to this shit. Because that shit is bad, this shit is good. Okay, so we have a problem somewhere else, guys. Yeah. Okay, so that is a bug which we will not fix now. We will enter a ticket. So this will be issues. What was it? Notre what? Mapper. Excuse me. What is the next? There was a definitely more. Those would be those which are stored transfer. Oh fuck, yeah. I don't see it now. We'll change the amount. Shit. And here, this is 0. Nothing else? That's weird. So that will be a typo maybe, because I would expect this to be 0, and then we had the another one which was not with the spaces in the. Okay, so we have NFC and we have the English name. Yes, this FACF, which is FACF, which have the same name. Okay. Is it there? Is it there at all? FACF. Okay, so this one is good. Why this didn't? Okay, so is the conversion wrong? It says FACF, and oh, I have an NFC in. This also is not converted correctly. There's some problem. Okay. Consider solving this. Consider avoiding this problem thoroughly by commenting new object structure on backend and on it. Well, projects cheaper labels. Fuck. Submit. Okay. So we have that ingredient, change the ingredient amount, and we are showing the values on the front end of the. So I know it's not ideal, we discovered some bug, but that's okay-ish. So I'll remove the debugger statement. I don't like the nesting of this callback function that much. So we are not using the map, so we can omit that, right? So delete all of this. The key we are using, requirement we are using, okay, cool. That's a little bit nicer. Okay, so let's give it a run again. So we add energy, fiber, whatever. 100. Oh yeah, that's the wrong field. Boom, 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 boom. Kiwi, apricots, oranges. 10 grams of that. 100 grams of that, and 1000 of oranges. Noise. I like. Oh yeah, also it should be recalculated when we add a new one, okay? So in the requirements, that will be add requirement or something like that, right? Requirement, this set, and now this calculate requirements fulfillment. Load. So the oh well, fuck. This is nonsense. There's another. Which we need to change. We should go. Yield on ingredient out of components on it. Projects, whichever, good, submit. There you go. And we are done with the time. So, which means we're done with the run number 724. Stop timer, stop recording.